Imagine bidding farewell to the dreaded dental drill and those uncomfortable fillings forever. What if your teeth could actually heal themselves naturally? This groundbreaking dental gel from researchers at the University of Nottingham in the UK promises just that, potentially regenerating tooth enamel and even reversing cavities without invasive procedures. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this innovation truly transform dentistry as we know it? Or is it just another overhyped lab experiment destined for the back burner? Stick around to explore the science, the skeptics' takes, and why this might be the game-changer your smile's been waiting for. Traditional dental fillings are a necessary evil, plugging up those pesky cavities to halt further tooth damage and keep your oral health intact. Yet, what if we could sidestep that altogether, maintaining strong, cavity-free teeth without the hassle? A dedicated team at the University of Nottingham is pioneering a revolutionary gel that aims to shield against decay while actively rebuilding worn-down enamel. This innovative substance, detailed in a recent study published in Nature Communications, fills in cracks and voids when brushed on, thanks to a tweaked form of amelogenin, a key protein that directs enamel formation in babies' developing teeth. To help beginners wrap their heads around this, think of enamel as the tough, protective outer armor of your tooth, guarding the softer layers beneath from everyday assaults like chewing, acidic foods, and harmful bacteria. Cavities form when this armor weakens and erodes. Unlike some body parts that self-repair, enamel doesn't regenerate on its own. Once it's gone, it's gone. Sure, fluoride treatments and toothpastes, with remineralizing agents like nano-hydroxyapatite, tiny particles that mimic natural tooth minerals, can provide a temporary boost, similar to how you might patch a small hole in your jacket with tape. But these aren't long-term fixes, often requiring ongoing use and still falling short of the permanence offered by a dental filling. Now, this new gel goes a step further. It forms a slim, robust coating that sticks to your teeth for weeks, leveraging calcium and phosphate minerals to kickstart the creation of fresh enamel crystals. In simpler terms, it's like giving your tooth a mini makeover, rebuilding its structure from the inside out. And this is the part most people miss. The crystals grow in perfect alignment with your existing enamel, known as epitaxial growth, ensuring a seamless, natural fit that mimics the real thing. Speaking to New Scientist, Alvaro Mata, a professor specializing in biomedical engineering and biomaterials at the university, explained the precision. The gel enables epitaxial crystal growth, aligning perfectly with the natural orientation of surrounding enamel. This biodegradable gel is applied just once, taking about 2 weeks for the remineralization process to fully integrate, after which it endures like your original enamel provided you keep up good oral habits, of course. And here's a teaser to keep you hooked. This isn't just for minor wear. The research proves it works even on teeth with severe damage, where the underlying dentin is exposed. Abshar Hassan, a postdoctoral researcher and lead author of the study, elaborated, dental enamel boasts a one-of-a-kind architecture that shields against physical, chemical, and thermal challenges for a lifetime. Our gel encourages orderly crystal regeneration on eroded or demineralized enamel surfaces, reconstructing the natural framework of healthy teeth. In other words, it's like restoring a cracked vase to its former glory, piece by perfect piece. Mata envisions this as a preventive powerhouse, potentially warding off the need for fillings altogether by treating enamel issues early, much like managing a chronic condition with daily care and education. He's poured 16 years into refining this, resulting in a flexible platform that could spawn various dental products. We're thrilled about the design, prioritizing safety, ease of use for professionals and patients, and scalability, he shared, with his startup Mintech-Bio gearing up for a market launch next year post-clinical trials. But don't get too ahead of yourself, dentists are weighing in with cautious optimism. Bianca Vallejo, a general dentist and practice owner in Henderson, Nevada, highlighted the hurdles. Innovations like this don't appear overnight, no matter how promising the lab results. Real-world factors like heat, saliva, bacteria, and lifestyle choices add complexity. Typically, it takes 5 to 10 years from research to widespread use, factoring in trials and approvals. That said, she's enthusiastic about its healing potential. This could herald a new era where we regenerate lost tooth material, bridging the gap between mere repairs and true restoration. Fellow dentist Ahmed Mokbil echoed similar sentiments, noting the treatment's promise, but stressing the need for widespread shifts in patient habits, professional training, and insurance models. He drew parallels to current tech. We already employ FDA-approved options like Curadant for nascent decay, which shares traits with this gel. Effectiveness varies based on cavity size and early detection, sometimes needing multiple sessions. The controversy brews here: is this gel poised to obsolete traditional fillings? Or will practical barriers like patient compliance and regulatory timelines keep it niche? Some might argue it's an ethical leap toward natural healing, while others fear it could delay necessary interventions, or prove inconsistent across diverse diets and habits. What do you think? Will this enamel regenerating gel revolutionize dentistry and spare us from fillings for good? Or is it destined to join the ranks of overhyped health trends? Do dentists need to rethink their protocols, and how might this impact everyday oral care? Share your opinions, agreements, or disagreements in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take.